Once again po, Mr. Jameson Blake and Miss Geraldine Jennings. Mr. Jameson Blake is a Capabilia leading man. And also, Miss Geraldine Jennings is a singer-actress with British accent. Based on my own research. Alright, let's all welcome them here, guys. I can see Mr. Jameson already. Here they are. Wow. They both look stunning indeed. Grab it. I can also hear people here saying grab it. Grab it. Yes. We were left with no word but to say grab it talaga. Yun. Once again, everyone, palakpakan natin Miss Geraldine Jennings and Mr. Jameson Blake. Round of applause, please, everyone. Here they are. Hello, good afternoon. So who will speak first?
Hello everyone. Good day sa inyong lahat. It's nice to see you all. Ang dami. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta niyo dito to support our film na Isla Babuyan. And ayun, I hope you guys can help us support the film and tell your friends and family and post on social media. So ayun, maraming salamat.
Ayan, and how about you, ma'am?
Hi! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Geraldine Jennings. I just wanted to say thank you so much for everyone for coming and supporting our film. Sana you guys enjoy it. So please help us like and share our trailer. And yeah, thank you.
Alright, mukhang mapapasubo yung yung accent ko this afternoon. Let's try it. I'm just kidding. Okay, Miss Geraldine, is there anything that we will look forward with your role here sa Isla Babuyan?
My role here?
Yes.
Yeah, I would say because my character, she's like balikbayan, so she's coming back from the UK. So there's a lot of like funny things that is very different cultural differences na you will laugh talaga. So I think that's something you'd enjoy, yeah.
Ayun. Good thing nagtatagalog pala si ma'am. Alright. Yan, na-stunned din ako because you look like a beauty queen indeed. Diba, you look so tall, you look so beautiful, you also look like a living doll.
Thank you so much. You too. Thank you.
Thank you so much. But I look like a voodoo doll. I'm just kidding. But anyways, how about you, sir? Sir James, Jameson?
Yes.
Yeah, is there anything na kailangan namin i-look forward sa character mo so that at least our listeners, hearers, and viewers will be a little bit more excited?
Well, sa film na to, sigurado ako makikita niyo may mga skin na medyo di naman siya super daring, pero medyo spicy din yung mga scenes. A little spicy naman. Kahit malamig yung tubig sa mga beach scenes namin. Pero ayun, I play as Jordan. Anak ako ni role ni James Blanco sa movie na to. And ayun, isang rich beach boy na pumasok sa buhay ni Anastasia.
I'm actually really happy to see the both.
Thank you so much.
But anyways, I've got another question. How was the experience working with together?
Well, syempre, alam ko na first time ni Geraldine. It's her first movie, pero it went smoothly naman. I tried to help her din kasi nung nag-start din ako sa showbiz, naging challenge din sa akin yung pagtatagalog. And at least for her first time, she did well. And I also tried to help her based on my knowledge and experience, I tried my best to help her and guide her sa mga scenes namin. And with the whole cast din, na-enjoy ko din. I got close with the other cast members na di ko din na-expect na magiging close din kami. So, overall, it was a fun experience.
Alright.
Ako naman, I'm always happy to be working. You know, I love what I do. Mahal na mahal ko yung pag-arte. So, excited ako every time na may pumapasok na project. Lalo na isang project na ganito kalalim, ganito ka-complex, lalo na yung ganitong klaseng character na complex. So, sobrang complex ng character.
Ayun. And you've mentioned about characters, Sir Paolo. So ano kaya yung aabangan namin sa character mo dito so that at least our viewers out there will also be excited?
Well, ako dito si Javier. Ako yung nagbabantay, ako yung may-ari ng Pabuyan. So, doon pa lang, feeling ko medyo may idea na yung mga tao eh. So, since Isla Pabuyan, and alam natin na medyo sexy thriller, comedy yung film, diba? So, alam na natin.
Feeling ko, sir, in real life, kung magbababuyan ka talaga, magiging sold out.
Pwede. Pag ito nag-trending, mag-start ako ng baboyan na business.
Ayun na nga
Para
po.
gumawa na tayo ng gusto.
Ayun. Sana magbilang anghel ako, di ba?
Sana.
Sige, sir.
Pause baboyan.
Yun, oo. Or pause piggery. Ay, masosyal kasi
Nice
English
ring
na.
to eh.
Yes.
Masosyal yun. Pang BGC yun.
Yeah.
Pang BGC yun.
Yung,
Pause piggery.
yung ano mo doon, yung market mo, yung mga rich people. Okay, one last question, sir. If you were to describe the movie in one word, what word would that be?
Roller coaster.
Oh, roller coaster.
Kasi di ba yung roller coaster, merong pa diretso lang, tapos tataas, tapos bababa, tapos iikot.
Ayun. That was sweetie, ah. That was sweetie, ah. So, Sir Paulo, it has been so nice talking to you.
was
Any
nice talking.
message to your supporters who one way or another made an effort just to be here supporting
Ayun
you?
thank you po sa lahat ng mga pumunta. Ay, Rosel, ayan na naman. Si Rosel, love na love ko yan eh. Thank you sa lahat ng pumunta dito para magpakita ng suporta. LA Santos. Anyway, thank you po sa lahat ng nagpakita ng suporta sa buong cast, sa buong pelikula. Siyempre, pinaghirapan po talaga namin yung pelikula na to. And it's a film na talagang excited kami mapanood yung lahat. Lalong-lalo na, grabe yung cast nito, powerhouse cast talaga to eh. So super excited din ako na nakatrabaho ko sila Natalie Hart, sila Miss Lot, sila Kuya James, ang dami. So dami ko rin natutunan bilang artista. So yun, sana ma-enjoy ng mga tao.
Yes, at iinit ang kanilang pakiramdam with the lessons.
Baka mapasok.
Yes. Thank you so much, Sir
Thank you,
Paulo. It has been so nice speaking with you. It should be a formal eh. Formal dapat yung gala, no? Anyways, Sir Dave, kamusta ka this afternoon?
Actually po, I'm doing good. Excited po ako na maglabas tong film namin kasi we've been shooting this for like almost, that was 2 years ago. So parang, yun deserve nang ilabas to guys. Sana supportan niyo po ang aming pelikula. Maraming salamat po.
Ayun, sige. I believe that your supporters here are actually very excited to watch the movie at the same time. Will you share to us some glimpse about your character? Ano ba yung dapat naming abangan sa iyo sa ating pelikula?
Sa mga, of course, maraming nakaka-relate dyan. Yung mga tipong crush nyo, pero hindi kayo crush nyo, di ba? Pero andun lang pa rin tayo para sa kanila, no? Kaya patuloy lang natin yung mga pagmamahal na yan, no? Kahit, basta, lalo na to si Kaloy, maraming mga daring scenes din. Kaya abangan nyo po mamaya.
Ayun. Di ba guys, nag-host na ako dito, nakarelate pa ako sa crush mo, pero hindi ka na-crush back. Nakaka-relate ba kayo doon? Yeah. Pero in real life, na-experience mo na ba yun?
Oo naman.
Oh.
Parang lahat naman nata tayo ay nakaka-experience nun. So, yun. Okay lang naman yun guys kasi meron pa ring taong para sa atin, no?
Eto, same question kanina na inask ko din kay Sir Paulo. If you were to describe the movie in one word, para much more exciting sa pandinig ng ating mga viewers, no? Anong word ito?
Fascinating.
Fascinating now. Why is it fascinating?
Sila lang magsabi nun. Basta panoorin nyo mamaya guys. Bakit fascinating siya. Anyway, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At salamat sa time nyo po. Sobrang cherish po namin yan. And sobrang grateful po kami dyan. And enjoy po tayo mamaya sa pelikula.
Hindi mo in person, You're such a living Barbie doll. Apakaganda mo. Oo. Feeling ko nananalamin lang din ako.
We're twins!
Twinning! Ayun.
Twins! Yes!
Alright, eto another question. What was the experience or how was the experience working with such amazing casts?
Sa akin kasi, the whole production, kilala ko na sila lahat. It was just for Miss Lot, for Paolo, and for Gigi, na first time ko sila nakatrabaho. Sila James nakatrabaho ko na yan. Kaya, wait,
Before.
parang wala na yan. Parang, oh my God, libre mo naman ako ng coffee. First, pagdating namin, libre mo ako. Laging ganun yung usapan namin kasi we've been close na.
So in other words, ikaw yung bakla sa set.
Yes! Kailangan may magulo at masaya. Yes.
So, hearing that you work with new artists at the same time and the previous artists that you worked with then before, ano yung mga preparations na ginawa mo din para at least you'll be able to portray the role effectively?
Siguro yung preparations lang dito, no? Because when Tito Leo was still alive, ayoko talaga yung role ko. I didn't like my role. Pero, since I love him, ginawa ko na lang just for the sake of him. Gawa talaga nakakaloka. No? Just for the sake of the love that I have for him. So sabi ko, go na nga.
Yeah, so the decision is coming from the place of love talaga.
Yes, oo. Pero if I was gonna do this again, I'll think about it. Yes.
Now, Miss Stephanie, I know that you've got a lot of supporters here this afternoon, so I'd like to hear your message to all of them.
Naku, sana message nyo ako mamaya kung gaano kayo nainis sa akin and if it was effective. Yun lang naman. Thank you so much for coming and making time for our film.
Yes, naman.
Yes, salamat po. Opo.
Thank you so much, and it has been so nice speaking with you.